because you know we're always motivated by food here on ABC 15 Mornings. And if you've been itching for a taste of fall, you really have to look no further than the kitchen. True Foods Kitchens, that is. I'm joined this morning by Chef Cole McCarroll. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So you guys have updated the menu, seasonal upgrades, very fall. Already with the colors, I see we've got a lot of fall incorporated here.
Sure.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, so fall leading into winter, you're looking at a lot of hard vegetables, hardy vegetables like carrots and squashes, bright colors, some dull colors that get brighter as you cook them. And we just want to be able to show that on a plate, but still add that great flavor that people are looking for.
Right. So let's get you cooking this morning while we talk. What are you making for us?
So one of our newest items on the fall menu change was a roasted heirloom carrot dish.
Delicious.
So we source out these gorgeous, as you can see, purple, yellow, and orange heirloom carrots.
And purple is not something that you see a whole lot of, so I love how that totally incorporates that fall color and feel and different.
Absolutely, and purple carrots are actually, they cook a little softer. The texture actually is a little softer than, you know, if you will, your yellow or your orange carrots. So you do want to be a little careful how small they are, how long you cook them for. But,
right, so you don't overchar.
You don't want to overchar them, sure. You don't want to get them mushy. You are looking for that beautiful integrity. You want them to keep their shape and maintain their, you know, composure while you're cooking as well as plating.
Okay.
So it's a very simple dish. All we're going to be doing is taking some fresh heirloom sliced carrots.
Okay. Sliced pretty thin there. And how are we spicing them up?
So we're going to just take a little bit of this sherry vinaigrette, which has some shallots. Sherry vinegar, which if you don't know, it's a sweeter vinegar.
Okay.
Almost like if you were to compare a brown wine to a red wine, it's a little bit sweeter.
No.
Yep, that's this one. So go ahead and give me 2 tablespoons.
2, okay.
Beautiful, and this is the great thing about this dish. You're giving it a little mix. It took about 5 minutes to heat up.
Right, lickety split.
Yep. You're gonna take your za'atar yogurt, put it right here on the bottom of the plate. And that za'atar yogurt just simply consists of a za'atar seasoning, which is from the Middle East. It's things like thyme, sumac, which gives it like a lemony feel.
Yeah.
And then sesame and salt.
So very fall-like. And while you plate that, tell me about some of the other things on your menu that are fall-inspired that we're looking at here. Is this a squash?
Yeah, so this is a roasted butternut squash puree.
Plus the Brussels sprouts?
Yep, roasted Brussels sprouts that have a beautiful lemon vinaigrette. We use an Agrumato lemon oil.
Gorgeous. And then the cauliflower over here?
Sure, yeah. So the cauliflower, this has actually stayed on our menu since we put it on last year. And what it is it's simply charred cauliflower, roasted red or green and white cauliflower. And it gets a harissa tahini. So it's going to be very citrusy, lightly spiced, and just a little bit punchy. And
so fall. I love it, the rich flavors. Okay, we want to let people know where to find you guys. You have 2 locations as you plate that. So you're in the Biltmore Fashion Park as well as the Scottsdale Quarter. Allison, I mean, this is shaping up to be totally gorgeous. You get that comfort fall food.
Sure.
Now we just need, you know, the weather to help us feel more fall-like.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, absolutely. And everybody that's been in Arizona for a reasonable amount of time knows that this is the time of year that people just